We're on the... Di ba we singer? Sorry. Hi, I'm Ace and welcome back sa Up All Night at TMB Chill Out Podcast. And today we have...
Ayos. Mentor din ako dito sa TMB. Nagturo ako actually ng science.
Science.
So
what's with science?
Hirap naman nun!
Okay, so, mahirap daw kasi mag-isa ka lang, di ba?
Tama!
So, right, we're gonna talk
to.
about the power of study group. No man is an island, di ba? So, if we work together,
makakapag-ready tayo, makakapag-prepare tayo. And of course, makakapasa tayo sa UPCAT.
Hindi mo kaya yun. Ay, nakapasa ka na pala. Kaya pala niya yun. Anyway, sige. So, dito sa pag-build ng study groups, no, nakahanap tayo ng network, ng ating cliques, ng ating support system that will help us prepare for UPCAT, ano. And also, hindi lang naman preparation, but also chill out, magpagpag tayo with them. Kasi, kung ano na-experience natin, Tagalog na lang. Kung ano na-experience natin, they also experience, di ba? So, we have our own collective experiences.
Collective!
Okay, so, ano bang... Oh, sige, let's dive right in.
Oh, di ba? Ulit.
So, ano nga ba ang benefits ng isang study group, Ice?
Well, yung pinakaunang naisip ko is actually yung collaboration, syempre. Kasi, alam mo yun, like, iba-iba naman tayo ng strengths and ng weaknesses.
True.
So, other than magkakaroon ka na nga ng kasama mag-aral, makakapagpaturo ka rin.
Nagawa mo ba nung high school kayo, nung preparation for UPCAT?
Magturo?
Like, ganon, yung interact.
Ay, actually, nung nasa Pisay ako actually, hindi. Like, sobrang nag-a-allot kami ng time ng friends ko. Kasi sobrang dami namin na nag-aaral. Nag-a-allot kami ng friends ko noon ng time, let's say, sa cafe, sa bahay, sa sleepover kami. Ganon. Tapos sabay-sabay kami naghihirap.
Real.
Umiiyak.
Actually kami din, we do collaborations, pero mas mas sa tropahan lang namin. Kasi meron kami kanya-kanya talagang cliques nung high school. So, dun sa amin, sa anim, sila nag-review center sila. So, in their generosity, they share their materials, ganyan. Pero kasi, as someone na magaling sa math,
same. Ikaw lang.
Hindi naman sa pero like, proficient. Yeah, sufficiently proficient sa math. Mas nag-take on lead ako sa pagtuturo sa kanila ng, guys, let me help you sa calculus, ganyan, sa trigo. In return naman, they help me with English. Hindi talaga, iba talaga ang English. It's not my strongest suit talaga. So yung collaboration with them is really a great deal, no, na okay, I built my confidence na kaya ko naman pala matutuon that aspect na nag-weak ako. So my weakness turned into another strength. Kasi may other.
Tama.
And also then, I guess, a benefit of a study group is meron kang accountability na makapag-progress throughout the review.
Sobrang perfect. Sobrang true nun. Ewan ko, mas nakaka-pressure kasi. Like, nakikita mo nag-aaral yung friends mo. Ba't di ako nag-aaral?
Real.
Dapat matalino din ako. So, ayun.
Tsaka parang you build yourself together na, dapat makapasa tayo together dito. Like, we will try to enter and we will enter as one also, diba? Ayun. Agree ako doon. Pero kasi personally, meron akong katamaran. So, pag kunyari, aral tayo sa school, ganitong oras. Like, sabi ko, medyo kakain pa kasi ako eh.
First time ako hanggang 9 p.m.
Pero still, like, we do instead weekly check-ups. Parang ano bang Hindi, like, parang, ano bang natapos mo this week, ganyan. Natapos ko LM Algebra, natapos ko Advanced Algebra. Ako natapos ko sa Science Physics. So, we exchange notes in return. So, in collaboration, accountability na, dapat each of us will give the other people something else within that week. Ganon. Again, iba-iba talaga tayo ng forte sa isang group, di ba? Nakuha rin natin sa part na yun na we also know how to teach someone a complex topic in a much more simpler way. And if kaya natin gawin yun, it means na gets talaga natin yung topic, di ba?
Ayun, moving on. Siyempre, other than yung naaaral mo, gets naman natin na nag-aaral talaga tayo. Motivation and support din talaga yung for me, yung main purpose nung mga tropa ko dyan.
We have our own motivations din talaga. Minsan family, financial needs. Yun, finding the motivation and support within each other's cliques din talaga. Give you that sense of belongingness and family na hindi ka nag-iisa sa pag-pursue mo dito sa dream na ito.
Gusto ko din actually add na motivation and support, kasama na dun yung rewards na syempre may mga weekends na pagod na kayo, ganyan. Tara, kain tayo, ganyan. Like, okay na naman, magkakasama kayo. Hindi ka naman kailangan mag-aral always. Like, kain kayo sa labas kahit once a week, twice every month. Carry yun, girl, kasi nakakapagod. Ayun, sabay-sabay lang kami umiiyak in life.
Actually, vibe din yun. Kasi sa high school ko, like...
Ang lungkot mo naman.
Ang lungkot na question eh. Like, umiyak po kami. Tawag dito kasi, hindi naman lahat sa amin nag-upcat. Actually, ako, di ko talaga balak mag-upcat. Like, nag-upcat ako to, masabi lang nung take ako, gano'n. Kasi wala talaga sa plano ko mag-UP. So, nung yung friends ko, 5 out of 6, nag-file na sila for upcat. Sabi, tara, mag-ayos na ng file. Sabi ko, sige na nga. So, nag-ayos na rin ako ng file. Tapos, ayun, actually sila talaga nag-inspire. Another personal sharings na lang to na, yung friends ko, even my teachers, na sabi nila, try lang. Wala namang masama kung mag-try. Kung bumagsak, edi tanggap, gano'n. Pero, it does not define kung honor kasi ako nun. So, I'm at salutatorian ako nagtapos ng junior high. So, parang if hindi ka pumasa, parang, may ganong pressure. May ganong pressure. So, I guess isa rin yun sa dahilan kung ba't ako nagdadalawang isip mag-apply noon. Pero really, my friends encouraged me na, kaya mo yan, try lang. Ganyan. And we're here no matter what. Ganun.
Ang sarap nun sa feeling na manalo-matalo, dito tayo.
Real. Ayan, so, daming kwento, Mars. Parang napagod na yung mga viewers natin. Puro tawa lang tayo ginagawa.
Girl, ang tanda na kasi ang dami experiences.
So, ano ba makukuha nila sa atin? So, ito ang tips. The tips for creating an effective study group. So, una, set clear goals. Diba?
True.
Define nyo. Sabi nga doon sa Hidden Figures. Isa siyang film. Ang tanong sa kanya is, we want to put a man in space. Tapos, I'm already there. Are you? Ganon. Kasi parang, kung nandun na tayo, yung isip natin, our body will,
Oo. Make sure na para-pareho kayo sa group nyo gusto talaga yung ginagawa na, okay, by this time, dapat okay na. And other than yung short-term goals nyo, pwede nyo, other than yung upcut goals or yung college entrance, exam goals, pwede kayo long-term goals, parang, okay, by this year gusto ko engineer na ako, ganyan. By this year gusto ko may sarili na akong bahay. Tapos ang sarap ma-motivate na parang sabihin sa'yo, sige na engineer, kaya mo yan.
Yeah, actually, pero mindfulness pa rin doon na, still give yourself some, allowance, ano tawag doon? Forgiveness.
Basta, be kind to yourself.
Ayun.
Hindi, kasi totoo naman. Yes. Kasi if you're too hard on yourself, mapapagod ka din, girl.
So, yung goals natin, meron siyang idealistic and realistic goals. So, a proper mix ng dalawang yun will really give you that oomph.
Tama.
Oomph. Okay. Next is, pwede kayo mag-set ng regular meetings with your groups, di ba? Katulad ng ginawa namin before, every week kami sa bahay ng kanya-kanya naming friends. Ayun. Kayo ba? How did you manage?
Kami din actually, like, iba't ibang bahay. Sorry. Iba't ibang bahay, ganyan. Tapos, or, yung schedule kasi namin every after class, studios.
Really? Like within the school then?
Minsan sa school grounds, minsan sa class. Having a regular meeting and schedule will also,
Naging habitual na rin
yan! Habit! You're so good!
Naging habitual na siya. Naging second nature mo na, by this time I have to review. Like, hindi mo na hindi na siya nagiging parang chore, but then a part of your life talaga. Kasi ito yung goal mo eh.
Hanap-hanapin mo din talaga siya. No?
Yes.
Masa-stress ka, hindi ako nag-aaral today.
Yeah,
Pero
nagiging
again,
lifestyle siya actually.
Rest ha. Rest if you
True.
must. But don't you quit.
Ayan, tapos, okay, next is you can also mix it up. So, paano pag mix it up?
Yeah, like nag-change kayo ng roles, ganyan na, okay, for today, magtuturo ako. Next week, ikaw naman yung magtuturo sa atin ng di namin nagagets. Ganon.
At saka even yung inaaral mo, kasi nakakapurba din na puro math yung inaaral mo. Nakakapurba din na puro science, puro English. So, a holistic approach to reviewing is really good.
Tama.
It's really essential as well.
Tapos, feeling ko may dadagdag na ako sa tip. Since mas diverse na yung mga pwede natin gamitin ngayon, utilize natin yung online platforms natin. Pwede ba? Like, may Messenger, may Discord, may Zoom.
Tsaka alam mo yung yung Google Docs. So, Google Suite, actually, Google Suite is a very powerful tool talaga for collaboration.
And it's free.
Even, is it free, diba? Online lang. Ayan. Tapos, drop by lang kayo kung meron kayo bilang maisip na trivia. Actually, naging helpful siya sa amin when learning about conceptual things. Kasi, dun sa review, very much nag-focus kami sa solving, analytical.
Totoo.
Especially sa math.
Oo.
It's a nice touch to know kasi hindi lang tayo dapat puro practical na solving conceptual din. So please utilize all the available resources na makakatulong sa inyo to be, organized and set up for your goals. Ayan.
Tama. Feeling ko, ang dami pa natin gustong sabihin both as standards. Okay, pero I
bata
think
pa ako
masyado na tayo madaming time na nagugol para dito. And it's time to wrap it up. So, I hope you guys learned a few things, kung hindi a lot, from us on how to create an effective study group. And of course, yung yung dapat nilang matutunan from us.
I guess more of the social aspect sa akin, you are not alone sa preparation mo. No man is an island still. You will always find people, either isa lang yan or dalawa, that you can vibe with and build yourself with, ganyan. And so, I hope we find that. Everyone will find that.
Ayun, again, we hope you enjoy reviewing as much as we did enjoy reviewing. So, once again, I am Ice, your co-host for today.
And I'm Ace, your host for Up All Night at the MB Chill Out Podcast. Also, don't forget to comment down your manifestations or insights kung meron kayong gustong itanong pa or mga gustong lang sabihin about studying in a group, as well as yung mga ganong mga bagay-bagay.
True.
Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below para mas ma-update kayo kung meron kaming bagong releases na insights, another chill out session for your preparations for your UPCAT journey. Ayan. So again, thank you very much everyone. Have a great night. Again, this is Up All Night at the MB Chill Out Podcast. See you in the next episode.
Bye!
Check out our recent and other related videos for more tips and advice on your UPCAT journey. Follow us on our social media for updates and more resources. See you in the next video.